Hey there, thanks for logging on to our website. Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt back with you here on this final Saturday of the year. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas day. You know, last time I talked to you, we were dealing with rain, heavy storms. Well, now another system with some heavy rainfall. And as you can imagine, we've got some flash flood watches in place with all this rain we've had this week. You can see winds out of the south with light rain in Birmingham. The Gulf of Mexico is open for business. Lots of moisture streaming northward. Some river flood warnings you see back in here across West Alabama. If you have any interest there, those river flood warnings will likely continue over the next several days. But these watches, flash flood watches, they will be in place through late tomorrow night. And I'm more concerned about tonight and early tomorrow. That's when we have the potential for some pockets of heavier convective type rainfall. You can see here some pockets of heavier rain south of Birmingham, picking up those brighter returns on radar. Now, let me just zoom out here. I've got the live sweep on, but I want to turn on the composite image and loop this along, and you can see that there's a lot of wet weather developing back off to the west of us. We got the moisture, we've got the lift in the atmosphere, and also some strong winds aloft in the jet streams helping to aid in this rainfall development. So we could have a storm tonight, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. I don't expect any severe storms, but any storm would certainly enhance that potential for some flash flooding. You see this cool front, that's going to work through the state slowly during the day tomorrow. The rain continues even behind the front, but one thing you'll really notice tomorrow night, it's going to be a lot cooler with that rain. So a cold rain event through the evening hours, but the rain will be a bit lighter, so that should help to lower that flash flood impact hopefully into tomorrow night. Looks very cold behind this system, especially during the daytime hours. That's when you are really going to notice it. By Tuesday and Wednesday, just look at the early forecast highs. We're talking about 40s, maybe even some low 40s across some of our northern counties Tuesday afternoon, also on New Year's Eve. So if you have big plans for Wednesday, it looks dry, but bundle up. It is going to be cold, cloudy at times. And getting into Thursday and Friday, well, there's another system that's going to roll our way. We notice a big-time warm-up heading into next weekend and the potential for more rain and more thunderstorms. So, very active pattern looks to continue right on into 2015. Hey, I want to let you know about the bowl games. Auburn fans heading to Tampa. Great weather by the afternoon. Just some clouds here and there. Expecting temperatures to rise into the 70s. Looks like a dry forecast. Alabama fans need to carry the rain gear. Planning on enjoying the town, enjoying New Orleans Thursday night. It's going to be chilly, 50s for lows, and we're expecting some showers. Of course, no problems for the game inside the dome, but do grab the raincoat. You will need it there in New Orleans. But that's what's happening as far as the bowl games. I'll have an update on that forecast. Plus, we're talking about the system that's set to arrive later next week. Lots going on in the weather, so I hope you can join us beginning tonight at 9 o'clock on Fox 6. Have a great evening.